Want to keep your ChatGPT conversations organized? ChatGPT projects let you group related chats, files, and instructions into one workspace, making it easier to manage long-term tasks and collaborate more efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT projects in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account and open the Projects section from the sidebar. If projects are available for your account, you'll see the option to create a new project. Available features may vary depending on your account and subscription. Next, click New Project, give your project a descriptive name, and add an optional description if you'd like. Choosing a clear project name makes it easier to stay organized. Upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, images, or other supported files that are relevant to your project. You can also add project instructions so ChatGPT understands your goals and preferred style. Keeping everything in one place helps ChatGPT provide more consistent responses. Open a new chat inside the project and begin asking questions, writing content, analyzing files, brainstorming ideas, or completing tasks related to that project. Take a moment to keep all related conversations inside the same project. As your work grows, add more files, update your instructions, rename the project if needed, and continue organizing related conversations in the same workspace. Keeping your project organized makes long-term work much easier. Review your conversations, files, and completed work whenever you return to the project. Everything stays organized in one place, making it easy to continue where you left off. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT projects, and that's how to use ChatGPT projects. Whether you're managing research, writing, coding, business tasks, or personal projects, projects help you keep everything organized and improve your overall workflow. The better you organize your files, conversations, and instructions, the more efficient your experience with ChatGPT becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.